Hello, good afternoon students. Today our topic is equation solvable for y. Very important for essay question, 12 marks question. So let us take one problem. Solve the differential equation y plus px is equal to x power 4 p square, where p is equal to dy by dx. Now we start. Given differential equation is same as it is. Y plus px is equal to x power 4 p square. Equation 1. From equation 1 we can write y is equal to minus px plus x power 4 p square. Now applying derivative with respect to x in equation 2 on both sides, d by dx of y, LHS left hand side, is equal to right hand side divided into two parts with respect to x, d by dx of minus px plus d by dx of x power 4 times p square. Next step, d by dx of y, dy by dx left hand side is equal to, but right hand side, first term this is in the form of d by dx of uv. Here u is equal to minus p, v is equal to positive x. By using this formula, product rule and differentiation, d by dx of uv is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. By using product rule of differentiation, we will continue. Next step, d by dx of y, dy by dx is equal to right hand side minus negative is constant, take outside. First function same as it is, means p, take outside. Differentiation of second function, d by dx of x plus second function same as it is times derivative of first p, close bracket, plus here also same product rule and differentiation, x power 4 same as it is, differentiation of second plus second same as it is, differentiation of d by dx of first x power 4. Next step, dy by dx already considered, already mentioned in question. Dy by dx equal to p, so p replaced by dy by dx, or dy by dx replaced by p is equal to minus p into d by dx of x 1 minus p into 1 minus p, minus into plus minus negative minus x into d by dx of p dp by dx plus x power 4 into d by dx of p square 2 into p times with respect to x inside term p, so d by dx of p dp by dx plus p square into d by dx of x power 4 4 times x cube. You know that how to do, how we got d by dx of x power 4 into x cube by using d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. Here n is equal to 4. Next, minus p I am taking left hand side, positive will get p plus p is equal to minus x times dp by dx plus 2p x power 4 dp by dx plus 4p square x cube. P plus p to p is equal to minus x dp by dx plus 2p x power 4 dp by dx plus 4p square x cube. Next step, 2p minus 4p square x cube plus x dp by dx minus 2p x power 4 dp by dx is equal to 0. The whole right hand side term we are taking on left hand side. Next step, 2p minus 4p square x cube plus x dp by dx minus 2p x power 4 dp by dx is equal to 0. Now 2p common, 2p from here, 2p common, 2p coefficient is 1 minus 2p 4p square, 2p into 2p 4p square, remaining 2p times x cube, 2p of 1 minus 2p x cube, close bracket, plus x times dp by dx common, possibility is there, x times dp by dx common of 1, x dp by dx coefficient is 1 minus here 2p x cube, why, because already x dp by dx common, remaining second term what you get, minus 2p x cube, close bracket, is equal to 0. Which one is common, 1 minus 2p x cube common, 1 minus 2p x cube, 1 minus 2p x cube common, 1 minus 2p x cube of 2p plus x dp by dx, close bracket, is equal to 0. Or you can write 2p plus x dp by dx is equal to 0. That implies 2p is equal to minus x dp by dx, or you can write 2 into dx by x is equal to minus dp by x, minus dp by p by using cross multiplication. That implies 2 into dx by x plus dp by p is equal to 0. Equation 3. This is in variable separable method. Here variables are separated, x terms separately, p terms separately. Now integrating on both sides. In equation 3, 2 times integral dx by x plus integral dp by p is equal to log C, logarithmic constant. Next step, 2 times integration of dx by x. Integration of dx by x is log x. 2 times log x plus integration of dp by p log p is equal to c. That's why 2 times log x plus log p is equal to log c. Log x square. Here you got log x square a into log m. You can write log m power a. Similarly, log of x square plus log p is equal to log c. Log of log a plus log b, log ab, log x square into b is equal to log c. Log gets cancelled. X square into p or p into x square, both are same. P into x square is equal to c, or from this p value we will get p is equal to c by x square. Equation 4. So substitute this p value in equation 1. What is that equation 1? Equation 1 is given differential equation y plus px is equal to x power 4 times p square. So substitute p y plus p replaced by c by x square times x is equal to x power 4 into p replaced by c by x square whole square. Y plus x gets cancelled. Second term y plus c by x is equal to x power 4 times c by x square whole square. What you get? C square by x power 4. X power 4 gets cancelled. Next step y plus c by x is equal to c square. Now take LCM. Next step x LCM. X into y xy plus c whole divided by x is equal to c square. Cross multiplication xy plus c is equal to x into c square. This is the required solution. Thanks for watching. I hope understood all of you.